Welcome to our channel, B&B Adventures, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Beacon two-person kayak HO Sports Company. And today we're going to open it up, but we've already used it before, so it won't be brand new. So here's the kayak we will be inflating today. And again, we have already used this before. So it comes in this backpack holder, backpack. And it comes with 2 seats because it's a two-person kayak. Comes with these paddles. The pump. And the inflatable kayak. With some extra accessories like this first aid kit for the kayak. So this is the inflatable kayak that we got from Costco. This kayak comes with completely detachable floor made by stitch technology, so the floor can come off completely. So now I'll be pumping up this kayak. The instruction says to pump up the 2 sides before pumping up the floor. So let's get started. Now we're pumping up the second side of this kayak. To pump up the floor now, there's a zipper in the front which you can access, and it'll be easier to access the valve to pump up the floor. So let's get started. So the instructions say for the floor inflation, you should stop around 8 to 10 psi. So we're stopping at 8 psi. So now we'll be continuing to inflate the 2 sides. As long as it's firm with touch, it's okay. That's pretty good. So now we will be doing a little more. That's pretty good. So we have already just installed 1 seat of the kayak, and this is what it looks like. So on the bottom of the kayak seats, there are Velcro strips that you can connect to the bottom of the kayak's floor. And there are these clips that you can attach. So this one goes to the back, and this one stretches towards the front of the kayak, and do that on the other side, and bring this one over here. So this is the seat of the kayaks. Now we'll open the paddles up. paddles have 2 hand holders and 2 of these paddles. This is one of the paddles of the kayak and what it looks like. And so I'll be assembling the second one for you. So you'll be connecting this button into here. There's 3 little holes. So we push this down, we pop it up. Then we assemble the second one. We put it in, push this down and put it in the hole. And we take the last paddle and we put it in. And here are both of the paddles of the kayak. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was our second fishing trip on this kayak, and I caught my first fish, which was a smallmouth bass. Bye!